Hey there, everyone! Did you know that green investments have grown by over 300% in the last decade? That's right. It's a staggering figure that shows just how much interest there is in investing with a purpose. Pretty cool, huh? So, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of green investing. It's an incredible opportunity not just to grow your wealth, but also to support sustainable practices that can make a real difference in the world. Imagine your money working for both your bank account and the planet. Sounds like a win-win, right? Now, let's talk about the challenge that many investors face. Balancing profit with environmental responsibility can feel like walking a tightrope. On one side, there's the desire for high returns, and on the other, there's the need to do right by the planet. Many traditional investments can seem at odds with sustainability, leading to tough choices. Can you really make good money while still being eco-conscious? It's a question that's on a lot of people's minds, and that's what we're here to explore today. So, what are the options for green investments? There are actually quite a few. First up, we have renewable energy. Think solar, wind, and even hydroelectric power. These sectors are booming as more people and businesses shift towards clean energy solutions. Then, there's sustainable agriculture, which focuses on farming methods that are not only productive but also environmentally friendly. And let's not forget eco-friendly companies. These are businesses that prioritize sustainability in their operations and products. Investing in these areas means you're putting your money into something that can yield returns while also benefiting the planet. Pretty exciting stuff. Now for the key moment, let's highlight a success story. Take Tesla, for example. When Elon Musk started the company, many were skeptical. Fast forward to today, and Tesla has become a powerhouse in the automotive industry, leading the charge in electric vehicles. Investors who believed in Tesla from the start have seen incredible returns. Not only did they profit, but they also played a role in pushing the automotive industry towards more sustainable practices. It's proof that green investing can be both profitable and impactful. To wrap things up, green investing is more than just a trend, it's a crucial part of our future. As we face climate change and environmental challenges, the potential for growth in this sector is massive. By choosing to invest green, you're not only working towards your financial goals but also contributing to a sustainable future for everyone. So, let's embrace the change and make our investments count. Alright, now I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on green investing? Have you tried it, or are you thinking about it? Drop your comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my other investment tips videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.